Finding a trading strategy that works across all time frames can be a game changer for traders of all levels. Whether you're into scalping, day trading, or swing trading, the strategy I'll show you today is highly effective and versatile. From forex to gold, xauusd, crypto, stocks, and more. We'll specifically focus on forex trading with a 15-minute time frame, but this strategy isn't limited to just forex. You can apply it to almost any asset you're interested in trading. Don't forget to support us by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Let's get started. Once you're on TradingView, go ahead and set the chart to the EUR-USD pair. Next, adjust the time frame to 15 minutes by clicking on the time frame selector at the top of the chart and choosing 15 minutes. This time frame strikes a nice balance for day traders and scalpers alike. To add the RSI VWAP indicator, go to the Indicator Search tab and type in RSI VWAP. Select the RSI VWAP indicator by Unknown Unicorn, and it will appear on your chart. Once you've added the indicator, we need to adjust its settings to suit our strategy. Head to the Input tab and change the RSI VWAP length to 50. Then, adjust the oversold level to 20. These settings will give us clearer signals on when the price is in an oversold or overbought condition. Next, head over to the Style tab and make some adjustments to clean up the chart. Change the color of the third RSI line to white for better visibility, and uncheck the boxes for trades on chart, signal labels, in quantity. These changes will help declutter the chart and make it easier to spot the key signals. When you're done, click OK to confirm the changes. If the signal line of the RSI VWAP indicator is in the oversold area, this suggests that the price is too low. In such a situation, your primary focus should be finding the right point to place a buy order. Conversely, if the signal line is in the overbought area, it indicates that the price is too high. Here, your main focus should be looking for a sell entry. Go back to the Indicator Search tab and type SSL Hybrid. Select the one by Mikkel. Go to the Input tab and change the ATR multiplier to 3. Then, adjust the SSL baseline length to 100 to smooth out the trend signals. Let's clean up the chart a bit by going to the Style tab. Uncheck the boxes for candle size, exit arrows, SSL1 baseline, upper channel, lower channel, and SSL2. After that, click OK to confirm the changes. If the SSL hybrid line and the candlesticks are navy blue, this indicates a bullish trend, signaling that it may be a good time to look for buying opportunities. If the SSL hybrid line and the candlesticks are red, this indicates a bearish trend, signaling it may be time to look for selling opportunities. How to place a buy order. Check the RSI VWAP. If the signal is below 20, oversold, wait for it to switch from green to white. That's your buy signal. Confirm a bullish trend using the SSL hybrid. Both the line and candlesticks should be navy blue. Once the candlestick closes, place your buy order. Set your stop loss at the lower ATR line and aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. How to place a sell order. Check the RSI VWAP. If the signal is above 80, overbought, wait for it to change from red to white. That's your sell signal. Confirm a bearish trend using the SSL hybrid. Both the line and candlesticks should be red. Once the candlestick closes, place your sell order. Set your stop loss at the upper ATR line and aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue sharing trading strategies that work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.